Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to plot flow graph of 8-point DIF FFT algorithm. So we need to have 8 parallel lines. Since it is decimation in frequency and input is time and output is frequency, so frequency domain should be in decimated order. So this is x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6, this is x of 1, x of 3, x of 5 and x of 7. So this is in decimated order. So input is in normal order. So we have x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. So first stage butterfly is between first and fifth line. Lower middle leg multiplied by -1, lower right leg is multiplied with W8 power 0. So next butterfly is between second and sixth line. Again this is -1, this is W8 power 1. Next is it between third and seventh line. This is -1, this is W8 power 2. This is -1 and this is W8 power 3. So this is the stage 1. Stage 1. So second stage. So butterfly between first and third line. Lower middle leg multiply by -1, lower right leg multiply with W8 power 0. So second butterfly is between second and fourth line. Middle -1 and right it is W8 power 2. Same pattern repeats. So here W8 power 0 and here W8 power 2. Next this is stage 2. And third stage between first and second, -1, this is W8 power 0, this is W8 power 0, -1 W8 power 0 and -1 W8 power 0. So this is the flow graph DIF FFT algorithm. This is stage 3. So where so W8 power 0 value is 1, W8 power 1 value is 0.707 minus 0.707 J, W8 power 2 value is minus J and W8 power 3 value is minus 0.707 minus 0.707 J. We shall take up one example. So find 8-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to n plus 1 for n varying from 0 to 7 using DIF FFT algorithm. So solution. So what is the x of n sequence we have? So this is for n varying from 0 to 7. When n equal to 0 it is 0 plus 1 which is 1. When n equal to 1 it is 1 plus 1 which is 2, and this goes on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When n is equal to 7, so 7 plus 1 is 8. So it starts at 8. It stops at 8. Okay. So input is x of 0 which is 1, x of 1 is 2, so whereas output, so this is x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6, x of 1, x of 3, x of 5 and x of 7. So decimated order. So first stage butterfly is between first and fifth line, -1, and this is W8 power 0, and value of W8 power 0 is 1. Okay, so 1 added with 5 is 6, 1 subtracted with 5 is -4, and this -4 scaled by 1, so I get -4 here. So these two are the output. So next butterfly, -1 here. So here W8 power 1, and the value of W8 power 1 is 0.707 minus 0.707J. So whatever the output we get here, that has to be scaled by this value. Okay, so what do we have? 2 coming here added with 6, which is equal to 8. This is the output. And 2 coming here subtracted with 6, which is equal to -4, and this -4 is scaled by 0.707. So 0.707 minus 0.707 I times -4. So we get minus 2.828 plus 2.828J. So this is the output. Fine. So next butterfly, this is -1. So this is W8 power 2, which is -J. So we have 3 coming here added with 7, which is 10. And we have 3 coming here. We have 3 coming here subtracted by 7, which is equal to -4. And -4 scaled by -J. So we get 4J plus 4J. First stage, last butterfly. So here W8 power 3, which is minus 0.707 minus 0.707J. So we have 4 coming here added with 8, which is equal to 12. So we have 4 coming here subtracted with 8, which is equal to -4. This is scaled by this factor. So what do we have? Minus 0.707 minus 0.707 minus 0.707J. This is scaled, this is multiplied with -4. So what we get here is 2.828 plus 2.828J. Okay, so these are the first stage output. Second stage, so we have butterfly in between first and third line. So -1, so this is W8 power 0, which is 1. So we have 6 coming here added with 10, which is 16. And we have 6 coming here subtracted with 10, which is equal to -4. And this is scaled by 1. So what we get is -4. So next, this is W8 power 2, which is -J. So we have 8 coming here added with 12, which is 20. We have 8 coming here subtracted with 12, which is equal to -4. So we get -4, and this is scaled by -J, which is equal to 4J. So next, -1, this is W8 power 0, which is 1. We have -4 coming here added with 4, so which is -4 plus 4J. And I have -4 coming here subtracted with -4J, so minus and scaled by 1, so we get -4 minus 4J. So -1, this is -J, which is W8 power 2. So what do we have here? So minus 2.828 plus 2.828J added with plus, so 2.828 plus 2.828J. So we get 5.656J. So 5.656J. So this is the output. And here, so 2.828 plus 2.828J is subtracted with 2.828 plus 2.828J and scaled by -J. So we end up with 5.656J. Okay, you check this answer. So next, last stage. So minus 1, this is 1. So we have 16 coming here, added with 20, so we get 36. We have 16 coming here, subtracted with 20, we get minus 4. We have minus 4 coming here, added with 4j, which is equal to minus 4 plus 4j, and here it is minus 4 minus 4j, which is subtracted. So we have minus 4 plus 4j coming here, added with 5.656j, so we get minus 4 plus 9.656j. We have minus 4 plus 4j coming here, subtracted with 5.656j, so we end up with minus 4 minus 1.656j. So we have minus 4 plus 4j coming here, added with 5.656j, so we end up with minus 4 plus 1.656j. Minus 4j subtracted with 5.656j, so we end up with minus 4 minus 9.656j. So this is the final stage output. So therefore we have x of k is equal to x of 0 value is 36, x of 1 value is minus 4 plus 9.656j, x of 2 value is minus 4 plus 4j, x of 3 value is minus 4 plus 1.656j, x of 4 value is minus 4, x of 5 is minus 4 minus 1.656j, x of 6 value is minus 4 minus 4j, and x of 7 value is minus 4 minus 9.656j. So this is the 8-point DFT of the sequence x of n.